Prime Minister Narendra Modi to launch Gram Uday Se Bharat Uday Abhiyan on 14th April on the occasion of the 125th birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Rural Development Minister Chaudhry Birender Singh says 11-day campaign to be divided in 3 phases. President Pranab Mukherjee presents the Padma Awards to 56 eminent personalities from various fields in a civil investiture ceremony at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Superstar Rajnikant, classical singer Dr. Girija Devi, journalist Ramoji Rao are among those honoured with the Padma Vibhushan. Singer Udit Narayan and tennis player Sania Mirza have been honoured with the Padma Bhushan. Actor Priyanka Chopra, writer Dhirendranath Bezbarua, among others, have been honoured with the Padma Shri. On the issue of non-performing assets and bad debts, Supreme Court asks RBI about steps taken by it to recover bad debts so far. Issues notice to Finance Ministry and Indian Banks Association asking to explain huge outstanding loans. Uttar Pradesh police arrest 2 men in connection with the murder case of NIA officer Mohammed Tanzil Ahmed. Police nabbed Jainul and Rayan after questioning over 100 people and conducting raids at several places in this regard. 5 officials of Puttingal Temple Management Committee surrender before the Kerala Crime Branch in connection with the Kollam fire tragedy. Nepalese Prime Minister KP Oli speaks to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and expresses condolences on the loss of lives in the mishap. Union Health Minister JP Nadda visits the site of the Kerala Temple fire in Kollam. Nadda also meets the injured of the incident who are undergoing treatment at various hospitals. Judicial probe has been ordered in which 11 people were killed and over 20 others injured after a high-voltage wire fell on a group of protesters at remote Pengeri village in Upper Assam's Tinsukia. Major fire breaks out at a 4-story residential building in Bhiwandi near Mumbai. 1 person sustains injury. All the stranded persons have been rescued. In Maharashtra, a special train carrying drinking water reaches Latur, which is facing a severe water crisis. The Water Express is carrying 10 wagons, each of them carrying 55,000 litres of water. Supreme Court restores holding of the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test for the Common Entrance Examination for admission to MBBS, BDS and PG courses in all medical colleges, recalls its earlier order. Over 700 experts on tiger habitat, scientists and stakeholders from across the globe to participate in the 3rd Asia Ministerial Conference on Tiger Conservation in New Delhi today. PM Modi will inaugurate the conference. EC registers an FIR against Assam Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi for violation of the poll code by holding a press conference during poll hours. India will take part in a special meeting of the Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development in Paris tomorrow to firm up cooperation between countries in the wake of the Panama Papers leak. Brazil's President Dilma Rousseff suffers a blow to her hopes of staving off impeachment proceedings after a committee votes to go ahead. The 65-member Congressional Committee votes 38 to 27 to recommend impeachment for manipulating government accounts. Mumbai Cricket Association tells Bombay High Court that recycled sewage water to be used for maintaining stadiums in Mumbai and Pune for 17 India Premier League matches. India to take on arch rivals Pakistan in a crucial match at the Sultan Azlan Shah Hockey Tournament today in Malaysia. 3rd placed India need to win today's match to keep their hopes alive for the semi-final berth.